sisters, how you all doing? So today we are right here at MatrixBay. Now we've been here a couple of times. I think this should be the third time we're coming here, so you can see the state of work in MatrixBay Kurudu. MatrixBay is now looking so beautiful, so beautiful. So let me just take you on the mini tour. So you can see that the gatehouse is now being painted. Work is going on the gatehouse. You can see how beautiful this looks. So the vision of this place is beginning to come out. This is a fuller view of MatrixBay Kurudu. Now this estate is one of the cheapest, the most affordable estates you can get in Abuja at the moment. So if you've not subscribed into MatrixBay, I don't know what you're waiting for. You have to subscribe as soon as possible. We have a large expanse of land here for you, for your family. So this is about 12 whole hectares of land. Now this is one place that you should invest. This is beautiful for country home, for your family, yourself. This is somewhere that you can just go back, relax, have a nice lovely country home right here. So make sure you're subscribing into MatrixBay, located at Kurudu, close to Deeper Life Campground in Kurudu, Abuja. Beautiful property, beautiful. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you call the numbers on the screen, and make sure that you give me a call today to get your own unit or units right here, MatrixBay, Abuja.